Yes,
no
I.
foundation, shot.
What the man said, so the king sound play.
What me say?
Yes, I.
What me say?
Yes, I. Rastafari live it every time and roots and reigns to the heart of everyone in this place, yeah. Hey, break free. Break free. Tell you get to use them, break free. Break free. Also me go so, yo. Over the Atlantic Ocean to the Caribbean Sea. From Scots Pass, I me say Portland, up Pablo Mountain, Timbuktu, Congo, Ghana, Mozambique, Ethiopia, Stratford, and Rans, Marcos Garvey, if we look to the east. I tell the world, break free from them. Slavery, and it takes bravery. Can't be a coward in a Babylon, you got to be vigilante. Break free from them. Slavery, cause it takes bravery. Can't be a coward in a Babylon. Hey. I fi go look it, fi cook it. Sky me middle name, so no care how far them put it. Like ready fi book it, in Langoli ready fi put it. Your king still a sit to the fullest. Never get weary. You fi always a look in the grass lurkers in the bushes. Remember your boots, don't fly past your roots. I see kill Mr. Mass pussies. Stabbing up backbiting, me make you put her into this. Suck your mother thing and a promise man. Bullet man, we say house and car. Pretty girls to go par and bring them roses and cookies. Have a so. Break free from them. Slavery.
More prosperity. You are going up.
Set yourself free. Free from war and crime, drugs and poverty. Strive for what you want and be the best you can be. And set yourself free. Free from mental slavery and captivity. Lion TV, I yellow Marcus Garvey. Every ghetto youth. Vision for you have them on a door key, a Cherokee. Or a 2040. We come a stage show our Lion TV. And still have a chance to buy a little grocery. Me tell them no cracky, no cokey. I grade stashy a smoky. I put another fire pan John the Poppy. Tell Babylon do not provoke we. And set yourself free. Free from war and crime, drugs and poverty. Strive for what you want and be the best you can be. And set yourself free. Free from mental slavery and captivity. Watch a Lion TV. Just pass me no key. Watch a know me phone ring. Just pass me no key. Who that I call me Cozy Rosie. Me dazzle in the daisy from round the OT. See a me love her when she get the trophy. She said that she clean veggie, no pokey. Aki in a packy bread fruit with rosy. 2 buckle leg pear and a grossy. I will a jive on the river cozy. I said, who is
him know about this lyrics. I will not play his Charlie song. Yeah, we are youth and this and make crazy lyrics. I want to dance.
Yes, some of my friends want me to chat something with from a long time.
Yeah, man.
For all of my fans, them see
Foundation.
Yeah, for all who don't know, this is Culture Knox, KULCHAKNOXIKA, internationally known as Knocky. You know. Yes, I. That one on them eat. Know what I eat, know what I dance all eat. I see me gonna move with no feet. Know what I eat. Don't know what I dance, I'll eat, pagan, get sample and yo, know what I eat, check me music temperature, 100 degrees, every king, every queen, them a move them feet, make you listen to me lyrics, rock to the beat, just send me come and me no come wicked teeth, just like a teacher, come here and teach, but some DJ know what days coming like a wild beast, all them talk about the young girls underneath, but in a one corner, all of them are going sweet, pile them up like a rubbish heap, garbage up and pick them up next week, cause a freedom fighter. So we make a peace, man, I watch how we humble, settle and meek. Yes, me full of attach and love, me have me proceed. Nobody nigga them not like me, so not at the least, cause Jah is I shepherd, and I am his sheep, so me calling all nation. Rock to the beat, which man the poor man, beggar man, thief, every liar, doctor, in the and chief soldier man, bad boys. Calling police, and me calling every Cuban and Japanese, English, American, said and Chinese, Russian, the Indian, and Guyanese. One love, true love is all I need. So no do me, shut me, I no think I sleep, me asleep. Step on me knee and a creep, me a creep. I study, me a study, holy for techniques. To make an invasion down in the east, get some rough next soldier, make a stampede from Zimbabwe to Mozambique. Study, who knows that? How would them feel like? Yes, the people. Yes,
Yes, we are talking about.
Tell it as it is. Got to tell it as it is. Got to tell it as it is. Don't go chasing waterfalls down to burn your bridges. Overtop the waters. Never get over when you six before you cross and when you cross. Always remember this ungratefulness. Who's that? Which part for your cities? Higher than you have journeyed and make the passages. The African slave trade from the 14th century. The wickedest Holocaust. Since man never lived them, kill them, rape them, rob them, take we gold. Always you will with a support royal. Become the West. Turn riches. Is a better from space. How would them feel like? Yeah. That one
Hey.
how would
If
them
people
feel
never say
like?
talk to them, that's what you talk about.
Yeah. That one your name, take it on low. That one your name, tell it as it is. I'm to deal with your past, your present and your future. Yeah, especially those who have been over the Atlantic Ocean through that Middle Passage, yeah. And all Jamaican, big up on yourself. Yeah, what I want. Got to tell it as it is. Don't go chasing waterfalls down to burn your bridges. Overtop the waters. Never get over when you six before you cross and when you cross. Always remember this ungratefulness. What's that? Which cover your cities? Higher than you up. Journey that make the passages. The African slave trade from the 14th century. The wickedest Holocaust. Since man never lived them, kill them, rape them, rob them, take we gold. And with you will with a support royal become the West. Turn riches. Isabella from Spain. Victoria the British. Funny boy Columbus. And then remember the focus. Pack me like a sardine. You know some Christian ship it on the name of Jesus and the shackles on a whip. Then they brought me like a tackle. Sell by and them the clam the black man bars. So we breed black Norris. 8 months pregnant slave master and slave missus. Gamble on them ruffle mama belly them split we now lose boy I got somebody please tell me if I no see it on them. I don't think there is somebody else in the world could have some flipping wicked rebel little sister pick me on prejudice put some in the house and some in the uniform of brutalities in them but call them yeah.